Hello and welcome to New England Gardener.
Today,
We're going to be talking about things that can be composted instantly. That's right, guys, instantly. So let's go. So as you already know, today we're going to be talking about two things you can compost almost instantly. But I'd like to tell you first why we even compost in the first place. So why do we compost? We can compost as a natural and organic, cheap fertilizer. It is basically free. This stuff would just be wasted. It helps the environment, and most importantly, probably it can give you direct nutrients that your plants need. High sulfur fertilizers tend to smell really badly, and unless you want your house smelling like a cow pen, your sulfur is high enough to give your plants the sulfur that they need while not having the bad smell that you get from some sort of compost you buy from a store. So today we're going to be talking about two things you can compost instantly: eggshells and bananas. What I'm doing here is I am grinding up my compost, which is basically eggshells. The reason I'm using eggshells is because they're high in sulfur and calcium, and I'm going to be planting a lot of peppers, and peppers need a lot of sulfur and calcium, which is actually what I have here. So I'm going to be putting this right where I'm going to be planting the peppers so that they can get the sulfur and calcium that they need. So here we go. I'm grinding up my banana peels. Now I can hardly even tell, but I put in one already slightly decomposing banana in here from like a day ago. Busted out the banana peel, and one just from today, and I'm just mixing them together. Here I am putting the banana peel compost in the part of the garden where I plan to plant my pumpkin seedlings. Pumpkins like potassium-rich soil, so banana peels are a perfect choice for compost. Pumpkins like that potassium-rich soil because of their thick skin that requires a lot of potassium. Mix the banana peels about 2 inches beneath the soil for instant nutrients and compost. Voila! Mix the eggshells about 2 inches beneath the soil where you're going to be planting your peppers or basically any other plant that will like more nutrients in the soil. And then you're done. Voila, instant compost. If you have any more ideas on compost or video ideas, then leave your ideas down in the comment section below because I'd love to hear some of them. Alright, until next time, bye.